Today I'm going to teach you guys how to solve this Polaris Cube. This one was definitely very hard for me to learn because none of the tutorials really taught you how to do it. They just said like, do the centers the same way you would do this cube, and then they would go to the next step and the centers would be automatically solved. So today I'm going to try and go through each step with you guys. You're going to start by turning the corner pieces so that the corners are all facing one another, so the points are facing one another. And then this cube does turn diagonally, but you have to do 2 turns for it to line back up. So you can't just do 1 turn like that, because these 2 are not going to line up. They have to be lined up on the small pieces. So start by just messing around with it, turning, and seeing that you have to have this little pieces next to a big piece. You can't have a big piece and then a big piece. It has to be small, then big. So big pieces can't line up with big pieces, and little pieces can't line up with other little pieces. So I'm just going to do a quick mix up here. Try not to turn any of these, because if you do, sometimes it will get stuck. So now that is all mixed up, we're going to start by looking at our white center. Now I know that the centers are not in the right spot right now. We will get to that in just a second. What we're going to start with is these big pieces, these 4 big pieces. What we need to do is get our white corners here. So you guys can see that I already have 2. If I flip it back, you guys can see that these 2 are already lined up where they're supposed to be. So that's awesome. So now what we do is we keep those there and we look around our cube for another white corner piece, which is here. So it's green and orange. Orange is here. So we are going to go ahead and turn this diagonally upwards towards our white center. Now we got 3 pieces. Now we just need 1 more. It's right here, and we're going to move this diagonally into its spot. Now you should have all of your corner pieces lined up, and you can check that by just turning them and seeing that they are all in the right spot. So blue with blue, red with red, green with green, and orange with orange. Don't look at the centers right now. We will work with that in just a minute. But now all of our corner pieces are lined up. So what we're going to do is we have to get yellow to the top, because yellow right now is next to white. And on a regular Rubik's Cube, it's supposed to be up here. So what you're going to do is you're going to find yellow, turn it away from you. Now, sometimes you don't have to get yellow to the top. Sometimes yellow already is. But if yellow is not already at the top, what you're going to do is hold white down, look at yellow, then turn it away from you. So twice. Yellow, 1, 2. Now on this red side, what we're going to do is, I'm going to take this very slow. We're going to turn the right side down. So here's where I'm taking it. You guys can see where I'm taking this. Down. And then you're just going to turn it back this way. Do the left side and then just put it down just like you did with that other side. So this part right here, this section needs to go down. See what I mean about it getting stuck? Sometimes it will get stuck if some of your pieces are turned the wrong way. So this section does need to come down, but I got to figure out what piece is blocking it. So 1 second. All right, so just bring this down and then right side up, left side up. Now, before you turn anything, don't move. Okay, stay on this side. Then we're going to turn it twice, 1, 2, and it should be yellow. Now we're going to do the same thing. Bring the right side down. You guys can see which layers I'm moving here. Right side down, or left side down. Right side up. Left side up. Now white should be on the top and yellow should be on the bottom. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work on our side pieces here. So now we got yellow and white in the right spot. We're going to look around and see if any of our other colors are in the correct spot. Right now, it doesn't look like any are in the correct spot. Blue is 2 turns away from being in the right spot. So none of our corner pieces are lined up with the centers. Now, say I had 2 blue pieces here. I would know that blue just needs to be moved up 1 level, so you would start on the opposite side of blue. We are going to work with the blue first. I just have to move it up twice because blue needs to go up here, then here. So what we're going to do is start with the opposite color that you want to move. So I want to move blue, so I need to start with the opposite side of that. So we're going to start with green. You're going to do the same algorithm. So right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. And now you guys don't move again. You're going to turn it twice. 1, 2. Now we're working with blue. Down, down, up, up. Now you guys can see that we move blue. Green is in the right spot. And this is what I was saying about blue. See, there's 2 pieces here that are blue, right? So turn those back. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on getting blue up. We're gonna hold the side that is solved down, and we're gonna work on getting blue moved one more time. So turn it to the opposite side, orange, down, down, up, up. Then we're gonna turn it twice, 1, 2, to blue, down, down, up, up. And now all of my corner pieces are in the right spot. You can check this by just turning all of your pieces 60 degrees and seeing that they are all now solved. So what we work on next is the little pieces beside our big corner pieces. This is the part where it gets a little bit confusing, but it should get easier with practice. So we're gonna turn all of our corners again back out where they were. You can only solve this if the corners are turned outward. So I'm gonna start with white because that is technically the top of our cube. This one is already solved, so this is how it will look when it is solved. We're gonna start with this one here, the blue, white, and orange. So we're gonna look here and here for any pieces. I don't see any pieces there, and there is red. So we're gonna turn this so it's diagonal from right there. So we're gonna turn this until the piece that we need to bring up here is down in the left corner. And then instead of putting it, so we would turn it and it would go in its correct spot. Since there's only 2 spaces left, what you're gonna do is you're actually going to put it in the wrong spot. So since one spot is already filled, this algorithm only applies if one of the pieces is in the right spot already. So you're gonna turn it so it goes inside the wrong spot, like that. Then we're gonna bring this and we are gonna turn this over. And then we're gonna bring this up to this spot. So up, turn, down. And now that corner piece is solved. Let me try to find one with none that are solved, like this one. So on one that none of the pieces is solved, you'd look around for your pieces. There's 2 down here. And there's the other one. So we're gonna put white and blue in its correct spot. So turn it diagonally, turn this one diagonally so that we know it's gonna line up in the right spot. Turn this back to one of the pieces that doesn't belong up there and bring it back down. So this is the last piece that we need to get up there. And you guys can see it's already set up for us. So this one's in the wrong spot. You're gonna turn that one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this orange and white up here to the white and orange spot. Bring it up, turn it, put it down, and that solves it. There we go, we got 3 finished off. We're gonna go ahead and do this last one here. There's green and white, and there's our other 2 pieces. So we're gonna put green and white in the correct spot here. So we're gonna turn this twice, put this up, turn it, bring it down. Now we have a problem, right? Because all of our pieces are up here and we can't do anything with it down there. This is already solved, so I want to leave that and we're going to work with it over here instead. We're going to bring the white and the orange down, turn it, and push the piece that does not belong up there. Turn this back, and then you can just continue the same thing. Bring the piece up to its spot and put it down. Now all of our white pieces are solved and we already have one yellow one solved because we saved it when we were working with it. Now the top layer is a little bit different, just a little bit, because we don't want to mess up the white that is already solved. So we have this one that is, and we can work diagonal across the cube. So we have a red and yellow piece here for this corner piece. And it's already set up for us to do the, to solve the piece. So we're just gonna put it across the piece where it needs to go. Turn it and bring that piece back. There we go. Now we have 2. Now if your pieces ever look like this, where all of the pieces belong on this block, but aren't in the right spot, here's the algorithm you can do. Hold it diagonally like you would if you were moving the pieces up. So hold this over here and bring it up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down. and that will solve that. So let's try that again. So we got this one here. So it's up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down. And now all of our pieces are solved, so all we need to do now is just turn them back into their place. And then your Polaris Cube will be solved. This one is pretty simple once you get it. It is a little bit confusing because there's a lot of stuff going on with this one. So let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.